people that represents, very on-brand po, Japanese po yung mga representation natin because we carry Japanese brands. No? So, the people represents us. And the one in the middle represents our home or our stores, no, in particular. And as I've mentioned earlier, what brings them together is the passion or the passionate heart, that burning fire. No, as you notice, mas malaki pa yung fire dun sa heart because that fire makes your heart go beyond limits, no? So, it makes you ubusan ng words. It makes you feel comfortable nasa sarili mo, and same time, you teach the people around you to be passionate. So, that's it.
Okay.
Excited?